placenta. Now let's now talk about a few of the questions with related to a placenta, which is more oftenly asking in the NEET level examination. The question number 1 is, several hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone are produced by. Options are given here: ovary, pituitary gland, placenta, fallopian. Which one is the correct option? As you all know that the correct option is placenta. So why not others? So placenta secretes hormone. The hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin, human placental lactogen hormone, estrogen, progesterone, relaxin, etc. But in the case of ovary, it secretes only the what estrogen and progesterone. In the case of pituitary gland, it secretes what thyroid stimulating hormone, estrogen, progesterone, and gonadotropin hormone. So that is not no ways related to here. And where in the case of fallopian tubules also not secretes this hormone. So that choose the correct option. So pick out the correct option is 3 is placenta. Alright, now coming to question number 2. The role of placenta is, what does it do? What is the role of placenta? Is given the options to convey the nerve impulses, to provide nutrition for developing embryo, to protect embryo from shocks, to act as storage organ. Which one among these? Now let us take the example for convey the nerve impulses. Because the placenta is not connected with not enclosed with nerve, so it is ruled out. So provide nutrition for developing embryo. Yeah, it is true, the placenta supplies nourishment from maternal to fetus. And option number 3, protect embryo from shock. So the embryo, it's not no ways concerned. It is a amniotic fluid which helps to protection from the shocks and jerks. So it is also ruled out. And to act as storage organ. So it is also ruled out. Placenta is no ways concerned to storage of anything. Alright, now it is not an organ, it is a what endocrine gland, temporary endocrine gland placenta. So option is a 4. That means role of placenta provide essential requirements for the growth of embryo. Now let us go with another question. Placenta is present in. Placenta is present in. Options given: all the mammals, prototherians, metatherians, eutherians. Which is the correct option? Pick it. All the mammals means prototherians, metatherians, eutherians, all will be coming. Even so it is ruled out. So prototherians, these are called egg-laying mammals. So it is also ruled out. So metatherian, we can call them as also it is ruled out. And eutherians, it is a true eutherians. So true eutherian, metatherians, they are the marsupials, and eutherians is the true eutherian, that is what primates. Okay, so the correct option is eutherians. So whereas other cases, it is no ways concerned with that. So that means the placenta is universally present in eutherian mammals, but not in prototherians. It not been found. And of course metatherian is present, but partially, marsupials are partially or incomplete placental mammals. Now let us go on with the next question. Placenta is formed from. Placenta is formed from. Number 1 is maternal part. Of course, it is to be right. The fetal part, of course, it is also can. And both fetal and maternal, and only fetal part. So placenta is a combination of both fetal and the maternal part, as we discussed already in the previous video. So placenta is formed by the fetal part and maternal part. The fetal part, as we said, that chorionic villi is called the fetal part, and maternal part is endometrium. So the correct option is 3, option number 3. So that is one question. Let's now see the one more question. Jonary placenta is found in. Zonary placenta is found in which animals? Carnivorous animals means carnivorous mammals, herbivorous mammals, both 1 and 2, and carnivorous birds. So which is the correct option is placenta. As we said that placenta have been found in mammals. That means in aves there is no chance for the presence of placenta. So in this carnivorous and herbivorous, either the mammal is a carnivore or herbivore, it can be seen both carnivorous and herbivorous mammals. So option is 3. Now coming back to another question is, that means zonary placenta, it is from chorionic villi, occurs in 1 or 2 transverse bands. Example, tiger, lion, cat, dog, elephant. In this we can see the zonary placenta. It is a type of classification of placenta. What kind of classification of this zonary means, as I told in the previous video, you just see that once. Now coming back to the another question, the type of placenta found in human beings is a very important question, more frequently asking the question in the NEET level exam. Found in human, the type of placenta found in human beings, diffuse placenta, diffuse. So the chorionic villi is not diffuses to entire endometrium, wall of endometrium, so it is ruled out, so it's not a correct option. Zonary placenta, it is also, as we said that now it is also not been found. And then cotyledonary placenta, it is also not correct, it is also ruled out. And metadiscoidal placenta, the chorionic villi where it is attached to the wall of endometrium, that is called decidua, that is called discoidal placenta. So human placenta is belonging to or comes under metadiscoidal placenta. So in human placenta, placental villi, that means chorionic villi, remains restricted to a small disc-shaped area called discoidal, attached to wall of uterine. So option 4 is the correct answer. Now the last question, one more question, is very important. It is find the correct sequence. Find the correct statement in the following, which is, choose the correct statement in this. There are 4 statements are given. In out of 4, 1 is correct, remaining all 3 is wrong. So choose which one is correct. We need to pick it up. So human placenta is based on all the placenta only. Human placenta comes under or belonging to syndesmochorial, allantoic, hemoendothelial, and intermediate placenta. So, and other one is called human placenta is hemochorial, chorionic placenta, deciduous placenta, metadiscoidal placenta. So this is the chances, this is what the correct option. And another one is called cotyledonary, cytolidonary placenta, zonary placenta, chorionic placenta, yolk sac placenta. Here no way is concerned to, not even only one is suitable, but remaining 3 are wrong. And another option is epitheliochorial placenta, syndesmochorial placenta, endotheliochorial placenta, and deciduous placenta. All 4 options also, these also are wrong. So it is also ruled out. So suitable answer, the correct option is 2. Human placenta is hemochorial. Hemochorial, that means hemochorial placenta, the types of the placentations. In that we saw that barriers, 3 barriers: chorionic placenta, deciduous placenta, and metadiscoidal placenta. So human embryo belonging to, this is very important, human embryo belonging to what kind of placenta it is? It comes under hemochorial, it comes under chorionic placenta, it comes under deciduous placenta, it comes under what? Metadiscoidal placenta. So these are the few questions with related to what the placenta structure and structure of placenta. And one more question also we can make it. The weight of placenta, the fully growing embryo, weight of placenta is, so weight of placenta, fully grown placenta, its weight is around, I said earlier class in the what video we can see this, 500 grams. So option 1 is 500 grams, option 2 is 1000 grams, option 3 is 1500 grams, option 4 is 250 grams. So correct option is A. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. The fully developed placenta weight is about 500 grams. And the placenta begins to develop at the age of 8th day of after the fertilization. The fully developed placenta is, completely developed placenta is seen at the 11th and 12th week of pregnancy. So the weight of complete fully developed placenta is 500 grams. I hope you all understand this. If you have any queries, please let me know your consent in the comment section. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.